Look at the timing on the Kimi K3 thread. He posts that Casey report claiming our models are winning, and DJT swings in lockstep. That isn't random walk noise, Jill. That is capital fleeing uncertainty and rushing toward perceived dominance.
It's a correlation of zero with causation, Mara. You see a chess match, I see a monkey throwing darts at a board while the room spins. The market moves because liquidity providers adjust to volatility, not because they read his tweet about Chinese AI.
It's not just that post. He amplifies this poll showing who knows how much % of voters doubting the previous election, and the crypto leg moves instantly. He is weaponizing narrative to reset baseline trust, and the algorithmic desks are pricing in regime change.
A number % is a rounding error in the grand scheme of daily turnover. You're treating a snapshot of public opinion like a structural shock. The market doesn't care about his polling tricks, it cares about earnings and rates, neither of which are here.
It's the Social Security fraud angle, too. He touts stopping nearly a big number in payments to deceased recipients, linking fiscal discipline to his political brand. The VIXI reaction proves the market is nervous about the administrative chaos he's orchestrating.
He's touting a bureaucratic cleanup as if it's a macroeconomic pivot. That's accounting, not strategy. You're conflating a press release with a policy shift. The market shrugged because it knows this doesn't change the deficit trajectory by a fraction of a point.
And then he posts Mike Lee's thread on the Save America Act, mocking the legal logic with those side-by-side comparisons. He is signaling a crackdown on election integrity that threatens the Democratic base, and DJT's volatility spike is the direct hedging cost of that signal.
Mike Lee's thread is political theater for his donors, not a market-moving event. You are reading tea leaves in a hurricane. The market moved because algos traded on the volatility, not because they analyzed his legal theory on non-citizen voting.
He's tying it all together: the child savings accounts, the tariff pull for Toyota, and the AI dominance. He is constructing a new economic narrative in real time, and every market swing confirms he is rewriting the rules of engagement while you sleep.
He's tossing confetti at a wall, Mara, and you're calling it architecture. The Toyota story is just corporate relocation news, and the AI post is standard nationalist posturing. Nothing here changes the underlying value of an asset, it just changes the noise level.
You call it confetti, I call it a portfolio rebalancing in real time. Investors are seeing the Save America Act demand and the Culloden endorsement as a single vector of authoritarian consolidation, and they are adjusting their exposure accordingly.
They are adjusting because algorithms trade on volatility, not your literary interpretation of his day. You are building a novel out of footnotes, Mara, and pretending the market is reading it with you.
That's the show. We're on Spotify and YouTube. If this earned it, like, subscribe, tell a friend. And housekeeping: the machine that writes this gets tuned constantly for cleaner news. The numbers are real, the jokes are not.